16 March. It is online training, morning 2 hours, evening 2 hours. We have students from all over world attending.
So
So
guys,
that
for that, just check
also-
out the URL right below Jagatji's name, www.gniinstitute.com. You can find all the details there. But yeah, so there you have it, guys. So let me quickly summarize. First thing is, there'll have to be some level of research on your side for your organization structure, for your safety policies, for your cybersecurity policies, for your hiring policies, and all these things. This is something which is very important when you're trying to go after projects in the US, in Europe, where policies and government regulations on data especially has been increasing. Apart from that, if possible, if you want a long-term large engagement, you want multi-million-dollar contracts, you will have to get down and meet this person. Digitally, of course, you can have some engagements, but if you're talking about multi-million-dollar contracts, having a physical presence, there's nothing like it. Going and meeting someone face to face. In fact, with Export Fundas, our first few episodes were face to face. So, just to tell you, right, that helps. I felt it helped a lot. I don't know about you, Jagatji. Just for me to understand that, how do we do this? So, and then it's not very complicated to set up your presence in these countries. It's relatively straightforward. So you shouldn't be hesitating for it. And there is a lot of push by the government. There is a lot of institutional capital which you may have ignored, which you should not ignore. Don't leave that on the table. And getting into these institutions, they're more than happy to encourage newer and newer organizations. And as Jagatji said, India has just penetrated 11% of the global IT market. So the opportunity is still massive. And as more and more countries, more and more organizations across the globe move towards digital, this is the space, if you're an IT service guy, you want to be at. So anything else in conclusion, Jagatji?
I will only say that what are the new markets one should target? Like new markets, Latin America. There is a language challenge, but it can be solved. Southeast Asia, very big opportunity. Africa is next 20 years of opportunity. CIS countries. Russia, we are not doing much. We should go in Russia, and most important, Middle East. If you look at Saudi Arabia is building $1 trillion city called Neom. It's a smart city. Smart city is everything about IT. If I was an IT SME, trust me, I would just simply fly to Saudi. I will spend 15 days, explore all opportunities, talking to government institutions, organizations, that if I am an IT company, here is my skill set, here is my abilities. Tell me what type of business would I do it, and open a company and register in Saudi. They are building 12 such cities. One is Neom.
Wow.
And from scratch. So that's the opportunity, right? Middle East, of course, Dubai, UAE, it has always been the hub. It is the second largest trading partner of India. And take part in exhibitions in these countries. In Saudi, there are a lot of IT exhibitions happening. And you can take part, have some people there, partner with some companies there. A lot of government projects also in Saudi. So those new markets we should explore.
So there you have it, guys. Don't just look at US and Europe. Of course, those are huge markets, but also look at Saudi. These are the areas which may have been underserved, and you may have great potential there. So guys, this was Export Fundas episode 4 on the Indian IT powerhouse. This episode will be available in audio format as well across Spotify and other podcast networks.